Hey guys, Nate and Steven here, back with some more bootcamp value. Again, we're doing a short video series of just what you guys can expect if you are going to join us for the bootcamp. We want to make sure that you have enough information to make an informed decision on whether you want to join us or not. But really just showing you the kind of what's going on behind the curtain. We talked about how exciting the last one was. We are pumped up to do this one as well. But we just want to make sure that you guys know what you're getting yourselves into.
From learning all of last year and not being very good, this is a cool concept that Nathaniel had. So I like this idea. But going back to kind of what we talked about in the last video, just like the understanding the process and taking action, we built this community, I think, around the 5-step test. We're going to go into a lot more depth in the bootcamp of kind of the importance of it, how it came about, how you can be using it. I like to talk about different strategies. We are coming from two different sides of the business. Like I said, I'm the more analytical, Nathaniel's more graphical. We want to show simple strategies that anybody can take advantage of. So if you are very graphical like Nathaniel, I still want to be able to teach you my strategies on discovery research, how to find additional keywords, how to kind of use those in a simple way that anybody can take advantage of it.
Yeah, graphical. I like that. That's a new way of saying you're an artist.
Well, I was saying you were artistic before, and it wasn't sounding right.
So yeah, we're going to teach you a deeper look at those. We've talked about discovery research and finding good keywords and things like that. But actually showing you, like Steven said, a simple way of doing that. So it doesn't have to be the hour-long calls that he's done before. He's going to teach you, kind of rules that you can follow. So it works for both mindsets. Like the things that Steven teaches, like it's the way he teaches them, I can still follow along. I don't get bored. I'm not falling asleep.
And take action on. That's
right.
Kind of what I was not doing a good job of last year. It was just overwhelming people, and I found a way to kind of dial it back and give you the core information that you need so you can take action on it to create it and build it into your own.
Right, and I kind of do the same thing with art. I can teach art so simple that even Steven feels confident that he can do what we're teaching. And everybody, I think, in the last boot camp was able to follow along with what I was doing. There weren't a ton of questions of like, oh, how do I get signed up with that? Like, that's way too overwhelming. Like, it's a pretty simple process that we have, but it's still competitive. And I even teach, a little bit, not as much as the art class, but I do teach, how to look at a landing zone, how to look at where Steven's telling us we should put shirts and pull information from that. So when we make a design, it's actually going to, hit what customers are looking for. It's not just completely random. It's not, you have to be super creative. Like you look at the data and then you can create something that's going to be competitive and look good, I should say, as well. So if you guys are interested in knowing the exact strategies that we're talking about, learning, in a short amount of time, just these simple rules that we've put in place so that we can be consistent, take action on all of this information, we'd love to have you join us in the bootcamp. It's going to start on January 14th, which is just next Monday. So if you're at all interested, there's a link in this video and also in the pinned post of the group under monthly classes where you can find out more about this. All right, guys, hope to see you then.